Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I am here to share with you the latest kit by Illustrated Faith. This one is called Less Hustle, More Jesus. Have you ever heard of an item that you just think is absolutely meant for you? I definitely think this one is meant for me. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As per usual, they come in a little cardboard envelope that you can definitely reuse, and then you also get the clear envelope as well that is perfect for throwing in your bag or your church purse or whatever and taking it with you on the go. Oh, alphas! Yay, alphas. How fun! We haven't got alphas ever, I think, in one of these kits, so this is fabulous. So if you don't have a set of alphas, this is what you're getting for the stamps this week, and they're just in this month, and they're block letters. And let's go ahead and check them out. I'm just gonna go ahead and check them out first. Why not go right to the alphas? Okay, and let's see, are they individual? Yes, they're individual. So you're gonna need a clear block to use with these, and you just, some of them, they are individual, but some of them you just have to kind of help peel off a little bit. They are perforated, but some of them come off together, it looks like. So you're going to need a clear block. Something like this will work. This is just a Cricut one from back in the day. But you just are going to have to separate them first, and then you'll just place them on the block however you like them. And it looks like you're getting an outline, so an outline and a solid, which is really kind of fancy, I think. So I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with these alphas. I'm excited to use them. So you're going to get the alphas. I'm just going to stick that back so I don't lose it. Just don't lose them, because these are small. So if you want to know how big they are in terms of centimeters, they are about 1 centimeter tall and about a little over right around a half a centimeter wide. So that kind of gives you an idea of how big, or quote unquote how small they are. But you get a full set of stamps in there. I love that you get both the solid and it looks like the outline as well. So this will be lots of fun this month. That's fantastic. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Less Hustle, More Jesus card by Shanna. It says, "Hiya! I'm so excited for you to spend some time in the Word and in His presence this month. The peace of Jesus is always here and available, even in our busiest days and hardest moments. I hope you have fun celebrating the simple joy of resting." This kit is for me this month, I know for sure. Okay, and then you get this sticker, which is fabulous. Less Hustle, More Jesus. And then you get the heart tip-ins, which I love the heart tip-ins. Some people don't appreciate these, but I do really love these. And not only can you use these in your Bible, but you can most certainly mount them on some kind of colored cardstock and really frame them up, and I think they would be a beautiful picture. This one says, "Your plans for me are perfect. My peace I leave you, my peace I give you. And then, Lord, you are compassionate, gracious, slow to anger, rich in faithful love, strong in truth." And then on the back, they're just little dots. So cute. Really beautiful tip-ins this month. Then you are getting your cardstock stickers, if I can say that the right way. And these are cool. Sometimes you get the clear stickers and sometimes you get the cardstock. So this month you're getting the cardstock stickers, and you get the hexagon, the banners, the little arrows, and some tabs, and the little plus signs, which are cute. Then you get these, which are also cardstock stickers, I think, yeah. And it looks like you separate them. So there's not like every one of these little squares is not a word. So I suspect what you could do then is, so I guess what I'm trying to say is, like, I can pull up compassionate, and that's a word. And the next sticker, "and," is also a word. And so is gracious, but the line below it is not a word. So what you could do there is either use it blank, or you could stamp with a smaller stamp set. So you can write on your own thing here in those blank ones, or you can use them blank as well. So they're kind of trying to be a little versatile with their set here. And it looks good. They're all, I'm looking to see if there's any that are misprinted, and I don't see any that are misprinted on mine. There's one that comes super close to the edge, and that's this one. But it's fine. It's the of. See, it comes really close to the edge there, that O, but it actually is fine. And if you put shouts of joy together, it'll look great. So that's awesome. Let's hustle more Jesus. That's for me. Then let's go ahead and look at the die cut, since we're kind of doing this in reverse order. Oh, it looks like it's already opened. I thought I was going to open it, but it's open on the side. So we have a gift, and then we have His path, my trust, His rest, His joy, His truth, my need, my hope, my life, my joy, my journey. There's the little bicycle, His strength, my peace, and His yoke. Awesome. Those are pretty. And now we can look at the cards. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 session cards. And then we have 4 other cards, just kind of additional content for you. And these ones, if you look on the back, there's nothing on the back of them. Is that one upside down? Yeah, I had that one upside down. So just lined on the back for you to do some journaling. So you can do some journaling on the back and then tip it into your Bible, and it'll be awesome. And for those of you who don't, who are a little confused with the term that I'm using in terms of tip in is when you just kind of tape it into your Bible. You just kind of put some adhesive on the edge, and then you just stick it in your Bible, and then it just kind of stays in your Bible. That's called tipping in. It's from the old magazine. It's a term from the old magazines when they used to put things, well, actually they still do it. They put things in the middle of the magazine. That's the technical term is called a tip-in. Go figure. So you have Psalm 23, 1 through 3. Micah. Oh, I love Micah. Chapter 5, verse 4 through 5. Then we have Isaiah 55, 12. And then we have 2 Thessalonians 3, 16. What a cute popsicle. Then you have in your sessions, session 1, Psalm 86, 15. Boy, my eyes might be going on me. And there's some prompts here for you to work on. Under His wings, session 2. It's about slowing down. And that is Psalms 91, 2. And then we have His peace, John 14, 27. And then some prompts there. And then His plans for you, session 4, Jeremiah 29, 11. So I will tell you that I am so excited about this kit that I cannot, I'm just going to go ahead and start just diving deep into it and using this kit up, because I know I need this. So I hope that I really hope that this unboxing is as exciting for you as it is for me, because I need more Jesus and a lot less hassle, and this kit couldn't have come at a more perfect time for me in my life. So excited to dive deep into it. And if you have any questions about this, go ahead and put them in the comments. I will link up for you. I believe this goes on sale like the 1st. I think May 1st is when it's going to go on sale, but as soon as it's live, you can use the link and it will absolutely work for you. And again, this kit was provided by DaySpring for this unboxing and for a review, and I will go ahead and get busy working on that review. Hi, I'm back, and I didn't notice this until I started working with the kit, but there's no washi tape included this month. So I did want to mention to you that there was no washi tape included in my unboxing, and there's also no washi tape going to be in your unboxing. So I think the reason why this is the case is because the stamp set is basically, you're getting like 2 stamp sets, which is an amazing value. So you get the regular stamp set, and then you get the outline stamp set. Normally the stamp set, this is not this month's, but this was the previous month's. Normally the stamp set is about this small, so it's about half the size. So now you get a full-size stamp set, plus which are 2 different ones that work well together. And so that's why I believe you're not getting the washi tape this month. So I hope that this extra on the unboxing was helpful to you. And I look forward to doing that review. Talk to you soon. Goodbye!